Rolling.
Am I looking at you or the camera? Perfect. I have an intimate relationship with the lens. Dreamy. What's the art to shooting neon portraits? It's simple. You got to take in the colors, you got to take in the background, you got to take in everything and provide a dynamic portrait for your subject. And the way that you do that is creating separation. The way that you do that is through the distance from where they're standing in relation to the signage, and also the lighting that you utilize, which of course I use Rotolight. Getting the best bokeh using a longer lens. The longer focal length you utilize, the better the bokeh is going to render, the bigger the bokeh is going to render. And using newer lenses, the new Sony lenses, the new G Masters have a rounder bokeh. The new Canon mirrorless lenses have better bokeh. Typical, Canon or Nikon or even Sony DSLR lenses are going to give you more of a football shape, and I'm talking American football shaped bokeh. So if you want the best bokeh, you use newer lenses and you utilize the laws of you utilize the laws of compression to really pull things together and create some beautiful shots. How do you balance ambient light with a flash? You very simply set your camera for your ambient light, and then you expose the flash. You set your flash for your subject. Why do I shoot with Rotolight? It's very simple. It's the one solution that gives me an LED and flash unit in one. It gives me the ability to use that lighting on about 85% of the work that I do. So, having a light that gives me the option to strobe and to give me continuous lighting is a huge advantage for me to be able to utilize, especially with mirrorless cameras, which is where the industry is heading. So being able to do that is a big bonus for me as a photographer. And it gives me the ability to not have to carry around 5, 6, 7 different types of lights, and to be able to use one light that fits most of what I do. It's a huge advantage for me, and that's why I shoot Rotolight. My go-to for a location shoot would be the Rotolight EOS, and the reason for that is it's powerful, it's portable, and it's pretty affordable. It'll give me enough power to shoot outdoors if it's not directly undiffused light. And it gives me a lot of power to use indoors, has better battery life. So between all the three, it has power, portability, affordability, and the battery life on it is great. So, and you can one hand hold it. You can have your assistants hand hold it with the grips. It's just the best all-around light that I utilize, and whenever somebody asks me, that's the light that I recommend.